Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to this week's episode. I'm Isaac Crace, a third-generation realtor here in the Boise area. But enough about me, let's get to the video. My number one favorite thing to do in Meridian is go to Settlers Park. It's got to be one of the, if not the biggest parks in the area with so many amenities. They've got a playground, water attraction, they've got 4 baseball fields, a horseshoe pit, tennis, pickleball, and a fishing pond that's stocked about every other week. So if that's something that interests you, I'll put a link right here to the stocking schedule and you can see when they're putting fish in, how many, what they're putting in. Typically it's going to be trout though. But go check out the playground there, huge fields, tons of stuff to do. The second place to go in this video is going to be the Village in Meridian. They've got a cinema, tons of eating places, tons of shopping stores. They've got Froyo. There's Big Al's there, which is an arcade, and they've got a sports bar, bowling, all sorts of stuff. Definitely go check them out. They've always got events going on there. The third place to be in this video is going to be Roaring Springs Water Park. They've got tons of different slides. They've got lazy river, vertical drop slides, kiddie pools, family rides, race slides, all sorts of stuff. They've got a kiddie cove with a smaller, shallow pool, all sorts of cool stuff for little kiddos. Oh yeah, did I mention they've got a wave pool as well? So it's definitely an awesome place to go in the summer when the weather gets super hot, just to cool off and have a great day with family, friends, whoever it may be. Coming in at number 4 is going to be Wahooz Family Fun Zone. It's a big arcade. They've got everything from bowling, laser tag, laser maze, rock climbing, go-karts, mini golf. I can't even count all the stuff there, but you can definitely spend an entire day there. They've got an eatery inside with some really good pizza. They host birthday parties, all that kind of fun stuff. Last but not least, coming in at number 5 on this list is going to be the Meridian Speedway. It's an asphalt track. They have a dirt track in the middle of it. They have all sorts of asphalt cars and events there, from legends, modifieds, all sorts of stuff like that. They do boat races. I'll let your imagination do the work on that. It's probably not what you think. But they have big events all the time. They even drop cars from cranes. It's pretty cool. You definitely got to go check them out and see for yourself. They have tons of family events in the evenings that provide lots and lots of fun. Oh yeah, make sure to bring ear protection because it does get pretty loud there. Thanks for sticking around and watching this week's episode of my top 5 favorite things to do in Meridian. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment what you think about the video and maybe what your favorite thing to do in Meridian is. Until next time, I'm Isaac Crace, your third generation Idaho realtor.